In this lecture, we will see how we can navigate in eTab in order to model our sections, whether it is a slab section, whether it is a frame section. Okay, first of all, let's close this model explorer because we don't need this right now. Okay, and if you look here, you will see that this is a plan view, this is the 3D view. Okay, you can see that this is plan view, this is 3D view. Okay, now right now we are here at story 4 and the height is 12 meter. Let's say that you want to go to the base. You can just simply go here and click on this button, move up in list. Okay, so let's click on this one and click here. Okay, so now you can see here that right now we are at base, that means we are at this level. Okay, now let's suppose that you want to go to the next story. You can just simply go here and click here. That means that with the help of this button you can move up in the list, and with this button you can go down in the list. You can see here, down, up. Okay, so you can only this option when you are in the 2D view. You cannot use these options in 3D view. Okay, so let me show you. If you click here, you can see here that these options has been grayed out. It means that you can only this option in 2D view, obviously. Okay, here. So now let's say that if you want to navigate directly to the story 4 from story 1, what you can do is you can just simply go to this plan elevation, because this is plan, so you have to go to plan. Okay, we will talk about this elevation in a moment. Okay, and after that you just simply choose this story 4 and click. Okay, let me keep this on this side and click on apply. You can see here that we can directly jump from story 1 to story 4. Okay, let's say if you want to jump from story 4 to base, you can just simply click here and click on apply. So like that you can navigate in the 2D view. Okay, now let's click on OK. So now let's talk about this 3D view. Okay, so in 3D view you can rotate. Okay, so if you want to rotate this, you just simply need to press shift and middle mouse, okay, at the same time, and you can rotate it just by sliding your mouse like that. Okay, you can see here, shift and middle mouse in order to drag, in order to rotate, sorry. Okay, and if you want to pan, if you want to go like this, you just simply need to use your middle mouse. Okay, and if you want to zoom in, let's say if you want to zoom in this region here, you can just use your scroll to zoom in, and this is zoom out. Okay, so this is for the 3D view. Okay, now that we have understand these two options, that is plan and 3D view, let's look ahead and look at the elevation. Okay, so if I right now I am in this window, you can see here that it is highlighted as a light blue color, and if you click on this one, it will highlight it as light blue color. Okay, so right now I am in this window. I will simply go to elevation, and you can also check the elevation here as well. So you can see here that this is A. Okay, you can see that this is A. Right now it is selected as A. If I just simply click on apply, you will see all the elevation related with A. Okay, only with A, that is A1, A2, A3 and A4. So like that, if let me close this one, like just like we have done all these things in the plan view, you can similarly do the things here as well. So let's say if you want to move up in the list, you can click here. Right now we are at B. If you click again here, then we will add C. If you click here, then we will add T. Okay, like that you can use this option as well. And if you want to directly jump to from elevation A to elevation D, you can do that as well. If you click here, right now we are at elevation C. Let's say I want to jump to the elevation A. I will just simply click here and click on apply. Okay, and here as well we got two options, whether you want to look at the left and look at the right. If you click on this one and click on apply, you can see that in our case you can see here that right now we are looking at A1, A2, A3 and A4. If you choose this to left, okay, it is again, because why this is happening, because in our case everything is similar. Okay, so we don't need to bother about these two. Okay, now that we have understand this thing, you can also directly go to this elevation from this side as well. You can see that this is the elevation 1, that was our elevation A. Okay, that was, so if you look from elevation 1, you can do that as well. You can see here that right now we are at elevation 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D. Okay, so this is how you have to navigate in elevation. Now let's suppose that somehow you just close this window here. Okay, and if you want to add another window, you can just simply go here and click here and click on add new window, and then it will automatically add that window for you. And from here you can choose the plan view, or you can, if you, or you can go with elevation, or if you want to make this a 3D view, you can do that as well. Okay, so let's say I want to make this plan view, so I will just simply go here and click on this plan, and after that I will go to story 1 and click on apply and click on OK. So this is all about the navigation, and this is the end of this lecture.